Hello, I'm Amruta from Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Islampur, studying in TY Tech Mechanical. In this video, we will see how to do 2D mesh and 3D mesh of this component using HyperMesh software. Let us start with 2D mesh. First of all, import the part. For this, go to Files, select Imports, select Geometry, and then select the file and click on Import. Now we will first delete all the solids from our component. For this, go to Delete Entity, select here Solid instead of Elements. Now just select the solid and click on Delete Entity. Now it is converted into 2D shell. Now go to Geometry, Quick Edit and split the component before meshing. It will help us to mesh proper. Now split like this. Now after splitting is done, our component look like this. We can change color from here. Now we will start meshing on our part. For this, go to the Auto Mesh, select the element size, select mesh type as chords, select the surface and just mesh it. Likewise, we can mesh. We can also change mesh style of our meshing. It will give us better and proper mesh. We can see good and proper mesh is opened up. From here, we can check warpage, aspect and skew like errors. Now we can mesh all the part by following same procedure. Now after meshing is done, our final component looks like this. Now to check the element quality, go to Tools, check Elements, check Warpage, Aspect and Skew, Corner Deviation and Jacobian. From here we can see there is no any error. Now move to next, which is 3D Tet Mesh. Now for this, import the geometry, go to 3D, go to Tet Mesh, select Volume Tetra, select the solid, give the element size and just click on Mesh. Tet Mesh is created here. We can see it by using Mask command. Mask. We can see Tet Mesh is created here. For Tet Mesh, we can check the element quality. For this, go to Tools, go to Check Elements, 3D and check the Tet collapse. Now next is 3D Hex Mesh. First import the part. For 3D Hex Mesh, we have to first make our component mappable. For this, go to Geometry, Quick Edit, go to Trim with Lines, select the solid, select the lines. Now give the direction in which we have to trim. Here we give X direction. Okay. Now we will just click on Trim. Now we can see the part is trimmed up. Now just go to Parts. Just right click and create the component. Let us name it as 1. Now go to Return, go to Organize and select here Solid instead of Elements. Now okay. Now select the solid which we have to trim and just click on Move. Now we can see the color is changed up. This means it is separated. Likewise, we have to do this for all the other. Now our final mappable component look like this. Now we will do 2D mesh on the surface of our component to convert it into hex mesh. First of all, we will split our component and we'll do 2D mesh as we have seen in the 2D mesh. Now, after the 2D meshing is done, so go to 3D, go to the drags and select the 2D elements which we have to drag. Give the distance between and just click on drag. Now we can see hex mesh is created here. Likewise, we have to do it for other part. Like drag, we can also use solid map command to create a hex mesh. We will see how to use it. Go to 3D, go to solid map, select here general, select elements to drag by face, select the destination surface, select along geometry. I am selecting here surfaces. Give the along size and just click on mesh. We can see hex mesh is done here. Now, this is how we can create a hex mesh. Now, our final component looks like this. Hex mesh is done here. We can see it by using mask command. Go to mask, just click on mask. We can see brick-like structure is created. It means our hex mesh is done.